A blessed Sunday, everyone. Happy Easter.
Have a blessed Sunday to
Blessed.
everyone. Happy Easter Day today.
Well, what we can say is that we want to glorify God for all the blessings, for all that He has done in our life. Maybe my tribute, how can we say thanks for all the things that He has done for us, things we don't deserve, and yet He gave to prove His love for us. The voices of a million angels could not express our gratitude, all that we are and even hope to be. We owe it all to Thee. To God be the glory. And we would like to also thank all the people who have been there for us on our journey from the very first start of this relationship, of our journey into this marriage. We thank you from the bottom of our hearts. And we love you. You're always in our prayers, though we're not really in a communicating. We don't really communicate too much. So, that's enough.
Ano pa?
Okay. Ayun. Nagtatry lang ako mag-English kasi hirap maintindihan yung mga English dito. Sa Korea, naiintindihan ko agad-agad. Dito hindi eh. I mean, good day.
Good day.
How are you today?
How are you today?
Alam mo yun?
Yeah.
Man ako ganaw. And thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Whatever it is, kailangan namin, syempre, intindihan kultura nila to eh, at saka lingwahe nila to.
Right.
Kaya, fighting lang. Nandiyan naman si Lord eh. Lagi naman nandiyan si Lord eh. Minsan tayo lang nang iiwan. Pero lagi nandiyan si Lord sa buhay natin. And, enough of me, be. You have to say things.
Ito kami. Naglalakad po kami sa tawagin dito ay Hagley Farm. Medyo kahapon, mga nagdaang araw yung maulan. Ngayon eh sinamantala namin painit. Kaya ito. Naglalakad kami ng asawa ko, pinapagod ko.
Pinapagod niya ako sa mapunong parke
ay, mga ano,
ng New Zealand.
Gala kami dito, gala.
Sabi niya gusto niya na daw ako mabuntis pero pinapagod niya ako.
Kailangan ma-exercise, di ba? Ay, siya nga pala kay Father Alvin, hello po.
Ayoko nang ano natin.
Stop na.